that to?
Okay.
Is it to Arden or is it to TT?
Okay. Sure.
Oh, wow. What are these, Arden? What are these?
Sure.
They're socks. What do you say to Grandma Button?
I'm a buddy.
No, do you say thank you? Can you say thank you, Grandma Button?
Buddy.
And what about Papa?
Papa.
Which Papa?
The cocker?
Papa with the tractor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, what are you opening now?
A buddy. Hi.
Can Mommy read what it says? What does it say? Oh, that's just tape, but it says, what does it say? It says to Arden. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those flowers. Are those flowers?
Sure.
More socks, but look at these flower PJs. Wow, those are so great. And look at TT. Look at TT. She's playing with that. Oh, and that's to Arden also. Can you scoot back, sweetie? What does that say? Oh, that says Arden. Okay, well, this is the gift. This is the gift. Let's open. Tatum's very happy with her bead mace. Need help? Wait, hey. We're not going to do the bag like that. Let's just do the top, like civilized people do. All right, what's in there? Oh, my goodness. What are those?
Stickers.
They're stickers. Are they pretty stickers? Look at those ones, Arden. They're dogs.
Oh, yeah.
What are those ones?
I'm a Twitchy.
Who?
I can't.
Oh my gosh, Mickey Mouse stickers. Those are so great. That is so exciting, isn't it?
My book.
Oh, that's a nice notebook where you can draw pictures. It's Tweety Bird. Oh, you know what you can do, Arden? You can put stickers in there. You can put all your stickers in there.